You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, active grille shutters, brake assist, rear step bumper, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.